Hey, what's up YouTube? Thanks for stopping by. Today I just want to show you something that is now available on my Payhip. It is, these little titles that you can see right here, set up perfectly for your burned in captions. It's going to work in Final Cut Pro 10.5.6 is what this is right now, and I'm sure it's going to continue to work in older and newer versions just because it's pretty simple. There's nothing too crazy about it. So let's just quickly walk through what it can do. We've got long or tall checkbox here. It's going to move it up and to the side if you didn't want captions along the bottom. So that's kind of handy. We can change all of the text colors from the background there to the highlight here and the entire background there. Now we can change what gets animated, either by the character, by the word. I don't think line or all would be very useful, but these first couple would. Drop shadow, that's just, might be hard to tell, but it's just a drop shadow. If it's on a light background, you'll notice it. Dark background, not so much. And checkbox, I think that's there accidentally. I will unpublish that before I put it on Payhip. But yeah, that's all there is to it. Just a very quick caption builder. Makes it easy to take your captions and burn them in, apply some style to it. Of course, you have all of the regular font changing abilities. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks to everyone who's already bought products off my Payhip. I'm going to keep trying to make more useful things for you to find there. Take care, and we'll see you at the next one.